Hello everyone, I purchased a Bonnet hair dryer from Amazon made by Eleganty Beauty line. It came in this small, nice, pretty box. It also was stored inside a small zip bag. This is perfect if you travel often because you can take it everywhere with you. It is very small, easy to pack. Once the dryer is completely unpacked, this is its full form. On the inside of the hood, you will notice small holes that will allow the warm air to blow onto your hair. Once you are done using your Bonnet hair dryer, you can easily fold it and put it back into a zip bag. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.
So, I purchased this awesome dryer cap off of Amazon by Eleganty. See it? It came with the protection band so my ears don't get burned. But besides that, it is wonderful. When you pull the drawstrings, it absolutely stops a great portion of the heat from coming down and burning you. It's my first time using it. I have locks. I absolutely hate drying my hair, but this cap I'm in love with. So I bought it a couple of months ago. I didn't use it because during the summer, the warm months, I let my hair air dry. Sun, I just go outside in the sun and it dries. But this right here, oh, I got a new friend for the winter. Now I can wash my hair and it will be dry because this is nice and comfortable and I love it. So if you're looking for a great dryer cap, purchase. And it's a great price. I don't think I paid more than $20 for this. I might have caught it on sale or I might have had a percentage off from my Prime. And maybe I paid about, I know I didn't pay over $20 for it. That's what I know for sure. But it's great. Have a great day.
Alright, y'all. My hair is done. I bought me one of those attachments for your blow dryer. Let me see how this goes. I'm going to turn it on for the first time. Here we go. It definitely works. Okay. I'll see y'all in an hour.
Works great. I mean, this works great. I have locks, and as long as your blow dryer works good, then you good.